This is Sailorman Piperman, Piper the Sailorman. Boy, we got some flash flood warning, which means our islands like an archipelago got rivers running from the highlands. You hear that? Let me show you. It's coming down now. Once again, it came down pretty hard. That's what, when you have a car here, you gotta be off the ground, man. My floor is all wet. My dog. Come here. Come here. Come on. This is my dog Midnight. He's always upset. Coming down pretty hard now. Midnight, you alright? Go inside. Go ahead, go inside. Go inside. He don't want to go inside. I like rain, you know. Here with my Norton with some of that butter, ratty pack of butter on, and bought all kind of new plants. They went in the back, mowing everything down. Right now we lost our lights. I'm running on satellite. We just bought a banana plant over there. That's going to be planted in the back. Well, I bought that. I don't know what kind of plant is that. And the floor's all messy right now, and we got paint. We'll paint later on, and taking down all the rust from the gate. So primer, then repaint it. Right now we're heading into tropical season. I don't think it was a wise thing to do, but here you go, here you go. The water coming down. You want to live in the tropics, you got to think about it, because that's one thing you're going to deal with, you know? It's like anywhere. You go to Kansas, you're going to deal with twisters, Oklahoma. So far, so good. I'm just, the hurricane level 1 comes through, I just hope it comes through at 20 miles an hour. Comes in, drops the water, keeps going. Outside of that, yeah, it's pretty interesting, man. St. David put some nice video on. I'm thinking of getting a bulldog just to get it. I don't have one. You know, I've never used a bulldog. Never. And the different sizes are nice. Tono was talking about it. Dave was talking about it. You get a different taste. For some reason, when I have a blend vest with Latakia, I like using a church water. I don't get that intense. When I get that intense Latakia, I don't know. Sometimes I think they add too much of it. So I like Latakia, but I like it smooth. You can hear that, right? smoke. That's what's happening. All my power shut down, my light is off. You got all the stuff. Don't want to put no generators on or anything. But I'm just keeping the track of what's going on. It's humid. It's rainy, but it's still humid, you know? Yeah. Sweating. But that's okay. Just dropping this thing high, guys. Have a great smoke. This is Piper the Sailor Man here under tropical conditions.